So we start from
Sharia, we have to wait a little bit because our colleague will join a little later. He's joining tips.
different time zone. Jadi ada yang beberapa yang syariah mungkin agak setengah jam 1 jam lagi sih Pak. Karena kemarin kita minta mereka
ya apa?
Yang accounting, from accounting.
Accounting ya.
Okay, let's discuss.
Okay.
Yes, let's start.
Apa?
Yes.
Apanya? Udah di sini, udah lanjut di sini kok. Lama tadi.
So, morning. So, since this team is new, do you want me to quickly give them an overview of profile? Alright,
Let's go to
just
the
start.
to the topic. Yeah.
Okay, fine. So I'll start with the GL. So profile supports the GL system. We are a sub-ledger system. So all the transactions that are gets posted in profile will be passed on to your enterprise GL system. So that's how it works. So I'm going to start by showing you where you can define the GL account in profile.
Okay.
So again, for doing the GL accounting, you will have to go to web admin. So for who are new today, this is the application that we use. Right now into web admin. Web admin is an application which is used for performing the administrative tasks, like creation of users, creation of GL accounts in your case. So let me quickly, because I think I'm at a long hour. Right, so you see here general ledger,
Okay.
right? That's the menu we are going to use to create the chart of accounts. When you click here, there is something called accounts, right? In the accounts, these accounts, you can create the accounts, GL accounts here, but this will follow the chart of account as defined in your enterprise GL. So like you have asset, capital, expense, liability, memo and revenue. Right? These are the different types of accounts we have. So all the loan accounts or asset accounts are going to be created here. Right? So here we have already created all these chart of accounts. But generally when we will do the implementation, we are going to ask you to give us the chart of accounts and we will do it through upload. You don't have to manually create it, right? As a part of integration, as a part of implementation, we will ask you to give us in the Excel format and we will upload it for you. Right? So this needs to map to your chart of accounts in the enterprise GL. So maybe before, so that we all are, I'll use the board so as to ensure we are on the same page. Okay. Right. Oops. So let's say this is profile. Profile is the core banking solution that we have, right? We call it profile. Then you have loans, you have deposit, and then you have GL or slash miscellaneous transaction, right? Correct. Now I'll take example of DAP because it is simple. So in DAP you will have saving account.
Serious, sir? Ah, yes.
So saving or TDA, demand deposit, right? So this will have your principal account, right? Principal GL, interest GL.
Okay.
Right? So let's say, I'll just take an example of principal GL. Now, let's say I have an account 1, 2, 3 and I deposit funds, right, of 1 million. So this GL will get credited by 1 million, isn't it? So what we do is, for each product, we are going to create a GL set code. So product, we have GL set code. So this GL set code is a group of GLs put together. So for saving, let's say I have saving. So I have a GL set code GL01. This will have my interest, income, right? Interest receivable, principal GL, right? So all these are grouped together and we put it into GL set code. And this GL set code is linked to the product, right? And when you start posting the transaction to the account, we accumulate it into the profile GLs. And then at the end of the day, we pass it on to your enterprise GL system. Enterprise GL system. So that's the flow that we do. So basically, you can imagine profile as a sub-ledger. Sub-GL. Okay?
So sorry. Right now, the GL is in.
I know. So that's
So this is most when banks modernize from
Yep.
typical setup. Yes. GL is in the core. This is what they do.
What is the maximum digit for account number?
12, I think. 12, right? 12.
What?
12.
12
One
digits.
digit.
12
digits.
or 12.
No, no.
12. 12.
12.
Okay. Combine number alphabet.
This is numerical. But GL numbers are generally
Alpha number. GL set code can be alphanumeric.
but they want GL
Actual number.
So, but in general,
No character.
no character for
Only number. Tapi 12 cukup kan ya.
But your GL has
5 digit.
So we have 12.
Existing 5 digit.
Okay, but why do you need alpha number? Alphanumeric.
But existing my maximum digit 5 digit.
Semua digit.
So we have
Semua
12.
digit.
Iya kan?
Character.
Iya.
Alphabet.
Karena 5 digit, akhirnya kan kita mainkan dengan alphanumerik.
Oh.
Biar lebih besar.
Oh.
You know.
No, because they are only 5 characters. They use also 8.
Dan ini sekarang 12 cukup lah kalau itu buat. Karena dulu kan cuma 5 kita mau meeting sub itu kan
Yeah.
different sulit ya kan, makanya kita kombinasi alphanumerik. Tapi nanti bisa lah di mappingin ya. Kalau 12 sih cukup ya. Good.
Right. So that we all are on same page, the major change I believe in your as is architecture to the new architecture is we are sub GL system, right? And in your case at this point in time you have the GL inside the core. So that's the change, but then that's how, or is it outside? Let me ask you this.
Sekarang GL-nya
How is your current
bagian
GL?
dari core banking yang
Iya.
apa? Oh,
Insider?
iya.
Insider. No insider in core.
Inside.
Yes.
But what do you do for your
Complete for report.
Mhm.
Arium itu ya Pak ya?
Neraca itu apa?
For banking.
No, Arium fokus for PSK.
Okay. So what happens to your so your treasury and trade finance is also inside core.
The treasury is
Treasury
Treasury
outside.
outside.
So what?
How about
How
the
does the
trade
GL for that?
Integrate.
Upload.
It goes to your, so everything come to your core banking.
Yes.
So which is yeah, understand. So I think which is one way of doing the thing, but then the recommended way as per the industry standards is to keep it outside core. So that's something you will have to think.
So not heavy Pak.
Yeah, otherwise you will get into that bottleneck, performance bottleneck again.
So where do you do your budgeting, forecasting, depreciation, all this?
Yeah, so
Outside.
account
Okay.
receivables and
There's
account
another
payable.
solution to do that?
System, different system.
I think
Different system.
account, your depreciation, accounts payable and accounts receivable. Where do you do it?
Outside.
Outside. So that system must be a kind of a GL system, isn't it? Otherwise, how you do it? It must be having all the chart of accounts as well.
Yang
So,
kirim apa?
yeah.
Book apa? Book ke
Upload for
ini, upload.
Upload
Yeah.
to the core
So my-
bank.
so my
your
question
choice
is-
di yang di luar itu tadi ya Pak
Ya,
ya?
jadi terus tadi kan kita cuma level GL aja, dia upload jurnal aja.
So let me draw. I think just to ensure your current system, right?
Yes.
Current. So here you have a CBS and you have a GL also, correct? Your current system.
Yes.
GL is inside.
Yes.
This is your treasury.
Treasury, okay.
Treasury sends GL extract here.
Jurnal,
Upload.
ya, upload for one journal for GL.
Yeah, general for GL, right?
Debit credit.
Then you send it to your accounts payable, accounts receivable, right? This system. Accounts payable, accounts receivable. What do you call that system?
Itu dari accounting kan, finance.
Where do you do this?
Yang mana ini apa?
Depreciation, accounts payable, accounts
Budgeting,
receivable,
Oh,
budgeting.
kalau budgeting kan di perencanaan itu di luar, outside.
Asset liability sama
Aset juga di luar.
itu ada sistem ke manual?
What system? Yeah.
Bikin sendiri.
Bikin sendiri, sistem sendiri.
Iya.
Their own system. Sistem.
What is the name?
Apa? Nama? Nama?
In house.
In-house.
Oh.
No name for balance sheet in core, but the other apa itu yang
Sampai neraca lah. Kalau neraca itu ada di dalam, Mbak.
dalam core.
Jadi yang GL yang ada di core itu kan menampung tadi. Ini sebenarnya sama konsepnya kayak yang dijelaskan ini, ya kan?
Belajar.
Produk itu nanti ada setnya yang apa itu prinsipalnya ke GL apa, kalau ada pembayaran bunga ke GL apa kan gitu ya. Terus mungkin pendapatan lainnya juga ke GL apa, itu sama.
Oh.
Oke. Kelihatannya ada transaksi end of day itu GL akan berhitung kan, membentuk neracanya.
Sudah di dalam core.
Balance sheet apa? Iya, Pak.
Ya, balance sheet.
Balance sheet. Ya.
Balance.
Ya.
Oh,
Balance sheet. Balance sheet
Kalau
is in.
neraca itu apa ya?
Asset liability.
Aset. Ya.
Asset liability.
So-
Asset and liability sheet.
So,
Ya.
so your balance sheet is
In
printed
core.
from here or here? In
Iya,
core.
inside.
And this is your in-house.
Yes.
So I think so. What you are doing, in my understanding, the full GL function, right? If I have a enterprise GL, that will have your accounting and APAR, AP/AR, plus your reporting like balance sheet, right? Now what you have done is you have divided into two. Half you are doing here and half you are doing here.
No, reporting this here.
Reporting is here.
Yes,
Yeah.
balance sheet.
So basically, yeah, that's what I'm saying. AP reporting and accounting you do
Yeah.
here,
Yes.
Okay.
and APAR you do.
Budgeting.
So it's like your GL is divided into two. One happens here, one happens here.
Yeah.
Ideally, it should be one enterprise GL system
Yes.
doing everything. Got it? So it happens like this. Right now, this is in current. If I have to draw your core, this is your core. CBS, doing reporting and accounting, right?
Yes.
Yes.
And whatever you have built in-house, here in-house, you do AP and AR,
Yeah.
accounts payable and accounts receivable.
Budgeting.
Your, this is as is.
Correct.
Your 2B, our proposed
We
solution is
propose, yeah.
Hmm.
profile, send data to your EGL, and then EGL will have all the accounting, reporting plus APAR.
Hmm.
So this is the
This,
right.
yeah.
Jadi solusinya di luar jadinya.
Ya, kalau yang untuk GL itu di luar, tapi kalau kita bisa propose kami pakai salah satu partner lokal kami, Pak.
Oh.
Gitu. Antara misalnya dari bank mau pakai GL-nya sendiri atau ya kami bandel di dalam sistem kami gitu, Pak.
It is important.
I think that's irrespective of whether it's profile or some other system, that doesn't matter. I think this is how we should be doing.
Iya. Sarannya
Even-
secara industry benchmarking
Exactly.
harus dipisah, Pak.
All our banks, be small or big, are on this pattern.
Tapi jadinya nanti beban saya. Karena bangun itu pun jadi
So-
perlu waktu juga kan.
Oh, berarti ya kami bandel aja, Pak. Jadi
Ya monggo lah kan.
Ya.
Yang existing kayaknya seperti itu.
Mhm.
Gitu. Yang kayak budgeting terus inventory apa itu oke di
Di luar.
di luar nggak masalah itu yang penting. Tapi yang untuk maksimal minimal itu sampai neraca ya kan.
It's a yeah. It has to be like Oracle GL, SAP or anything.
local one
Yeah,
also,
or
yeah.
even local ones we can integrate.
Ya.
So that's option one. That's the clean
Okay.
option one.
Oke.
The other thing is if
Understand.
you want your thing in-house to exist, then during the implementation we can work with you you have to customize this to bring the accounting here. That's it. So that's option two.
In end of day, what you processing?
We will
For
send you
GL?
the GL net balances. Daily net.
Journal.
Yes.
You're
Yes.
processing journal.
Correct.
Debit, credit.
Net of it. Like principal GL for saving account, not every transaction, only net credit, net debit. Because why do you need the?
Yes.
So
Okay.
we will just send you the net
Okay.
for each currency and each GL system, GL has. So if you can upgrade this, right, for your accounting and balance sheet. So if you can move your reporting here, you are doing the reporting in your here, right? In your CBS you are doing the reporting. If you can move your reporting here,
Hmm.
this will become your reporting. Then we can integrate with that.
So CBS to GL system,
Yes.
flat file.
Finish for reporting for balance ya. Misalnya terakhir
End
ada
of day. How do you transfer
apa balance sheet ya?
balance sheet?
Balance sheet.
In flat file.
CBS.
Right now, this reporting happens in
Oh, lagi nih.
the reporting happens in. So they can do this reporting here. So then it's fine.
So most banks use 5 characters only. So
No, I combine character and number. Karena 5
Only
digit,
5 digit.
only 5 digit, and not support, and combine number and character. Very
Yeah.
big.
we also support 5 digits. 5 digits to 12 digits. So this is also
Yang digit-digit itu terkait apa? Yang digit-digit terkait apa itu?
Since we have the 12 digit, let's go to the option.
no.
Sorry, the numeric one. Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
So I think during the implementation we can have two options. One, you take the vendor solution. Second, you upgrade this for reporting. Your existing in-house, develop the reporting in there.
No reporting, more like GL, balance sheet,
So
profit loss.
that's what reporting is, na?
No,
Toward GL, that's the GL reporting. Balance
only
sheet, profit
reporting
loss.
and calculate the
daily
mapping.
daily transaction.
That can still happen in profile. You can still post daily transaction in profile.
yeah.
That's why I'm saying we will send you the extract for the daily GL transaction.
So I think during the project or deep dive, we can see what are the things your GL do in CBS.
Correct.
What kind of output they produce, and then if we have that, then we can consider a GL. Depends on what's missing.
Yep.
Ya, itu in-house yang tadi ya Pak ya.
Yang kalau budgeting itu kan karena menunjang aja kan untuk perencanaan aja.
Perencanaan.
Itu kita di luar, kita bikinkan sendiri.
And then, if since you have this invoice financing those products, are you planning to go to supply chain finance kind of thing in the future?
Yes.
So then you should have EGL or enterprise because that's where you have the visibility because you need to connect to big corporates or government entities to upload down invoices, right? So you cannot do that within the core banking GL. You need to have an enterprise GL because you need to connect to different corporate portals.
Yeah. I think that's okay.
That's
So,
the direction.
at a very high level, it's very clear.
Yeah.
Either you take a third-party system for GL, or during the implementation, FIS can work with you to integrate. Okay. So now I'll go back to my thing.
From the top.
And
We
so-
don't have to say you take a
Just
picture.
okay, so in case like we go
Okay,
back
so
again to the
The three, no.
Yeah, you want.
No, I have to go
No,
back.
the
Oh.
nine dots on the top.
Yeah.
9 dots on the
Oh,
top. Middle.
Oh, di kanting.
yes.
Yes.
below
Nothing.
below
Apa?
profile.
Okay, so I'll go back to here. So this is the place where you create your GL accounts, right? And then it's a you can create it two ways. One, manually you can create. Second, you can give us the file, and we will create. Let's say you have 1,000 GL accounts. Give us the file, and we will create it for you. Now, when you create the GL account, you have to give the GL ledger account number, account type, like asset, capital, expense, liability, memo, or revenue. You can define the description here, and then you can just submit. So that's how you create a GL account in profile.
For child or parent and child, you even in
No, we don't do parent-child, but we have done this customization for
Other clients.
another client, and we can bring it in for you.
Oh,
So
berarti
the answer is
mainnya di sub GL tadi.
Ya hanya di sub GL. Tapi kalau yang parent child itu bisa kita kerjakan Pak. Karena kita udah kerjakan di klien spesifik klien lain itu bisa
Wadah.
kami ambil kami ambil tambahin di
Yeah.
sana Pak.
And again,
Karena kita kalau di GL kan ada kelompokan saving. This parent is saving. In child Simbada, Cyclus, and other.
The product saving under the saving product there is a sub the sub product. And
For example, this parent GL, this declaration of for saving.
yeah.
Okay, when saving one, then the name of Simbada.
Got it.
Okay, two saving Cyclus, Cyclus, and other.
So that
This child is parent.
Thailand or
Yeah.
see, as far as grouping all the savings, demand deposit, term deposit products GL together, that is supported by design. You don't have to do it. It's by design, right? But there is another thing which is called parent-child GL. Parent-child GL is a functionality of a EGL system. So if you take a EGL system, you will get that function anyways. You can define all the GL accounting in profile, chart of account, but when we send it to your EGL system is, or enterprise GL system is more sophisticated. So it will automatically provide all those functions. Right?
So here, what we are doing, just to simplify, you do the seamless GL mapping,
Yes.
and then you do the seamless priority
Yes.
mapping to two different chart of account or GL code, when we pass it to the
EGL.
EGL, there's a grouping, savings account what you're telling.
Oh.
So all the savings account under that will go and group under the main savings account.
See, let me show you the grouping here. I think they're talking about two things here. One is the grouping of the GL account numbers under the saving group. That profile supports. That's not a problem, right? I also understand from my experience that you will need a parent-child GL relationship. Like this is the GL number 1, it has child number 2, child number 3, child number 4. That, I think, if you have the vendor solution for third-party solution, that will be supported there. Make sense?
Okay.
So I'll show you the grouping.
Grouping.
So you have deposits, right? Under
Oh.
this deposit, you have a product group. So where, I can select the product group as saving, right? And then when you search, it will show you all the products. It will show you now. See.
Okay.
So here you can keep on adding it. So you create the grouping. So this is product number 1, product number 2, product number 3, product number 4, and it is getting grouped under saving and then of course the deposit. So we have that grouping already.
Could not, your could not define a parent and child. Use misalnya setara aja gitu ya.
Oh, this is
This is the parent, right?
Under saving.
This is under saving. This
No,
is
no. The saving code what? What
This
a
is the
saving
child,
code?
Pak. The
300
This is this is the child.
childnya.
No, he's asking what is the savings code.
What is the saving code?
We are doing the grouping of the GL account number. But I'll show you now. See, if I add it here, you will see all the GL account numbers.
Itu kan rinciannya anaknya itu kan.
Yang
See.
tadi 300.
Here are all the GL account number you are showing.
Oh
So
itu.
principal GL, this is the GL.
Oh dua itu.
Oh, ya. Ya, ini yang tadi parentnya, Pak.
So we do it in a very proper way. So you have deposits under deposits, savings under savings. You can define the product groups for all. So this is the parent-child relationship. So here we have already grouped it, right? You see the balance sheet, the one that you are talking about, the balance sheet that you deliver. So balance sheet accounts are here. All the balance sheet accounts for principal GL, negative principal,
Yang Excel kemarin udah beberapa dijawab, bisa dicek sama kita lagi. Terus masih ada beberapa yang didiskusikan, infokan dong.
Oke. Yes.
And we can, during implementation, we can even customize to add,
Okay.
configure to add more as well. Right? So
Tagihan di
this
grup
way,
aja.
it should be okay, and we can send it to your in-house developed system as well. Okay?
Cuman kesulitannya, yang 300 itu masuk ke daftar GL nggak ya? Yang
The 300 one under the child, is it
Product
part
level.
of the GL? Can go to
nulis
GL?
in GL code? No.
We can, so
Send it.
either we can create a report for you. Yes. So answer is yes. Either we can send a report to them, or we can develop a report and profile, or we can send extract to their in-house developed system as well.
There's a 300 code.
Report for
Yeah.
daily report for Raja. No, itu dulu.
You want take a look?
In core.
It's a daily approval.
Daily accrual.
It's a day book.
Daily apa balance sheet ya?
Daily balance.
Aktiva, pasiva.
Right.
Asset.
Actually, this is a balance sheet.
Yes.
So generally, the balance sheet
Yeah.
is part of your EGL system.
Yes.
So we will the profile will send data to
Okay.
develop this report.
Berarti dia nggak kenal anak apa itu sub di GL-nya cuma you only parent in GL.
And the relationship also
Yeah.
we can send.
Relationship for type, product grouping.
Product group and all the products. Product
Oh,
1, product 2, product
okay.
3, product 4.
Jadi dari mereka ngirim anaknya, nanti kita yang ngolah anak jadi bapaknya.
Atau yang diatur di samping
Nah,
di kita
soalnya
juga,
orang
Pak.
sini tuh ingin praktis. Jadi kan ada parent, child itu kan orang lihat aja tuh, ini yang pasif contohnya.
Maaf. We can try. Let's see if it makes sense.
Nah, itu kan malah. Nah ini loh Pak, ini. This orang ini nggak ono ya, saya this.
Jadi semua transaksi
itu lihat level JL aja udah tahu rinciannya gitu. Tabung saving yang simpedan berapa, siklus berapa itu dari lapisan raja sebenarnya. Bukan hanya
That
ada
should be
lapisan
part of
raja
your
itu.
GL system.
Makanya tabungan kan sekian. Nah itu di bawahnya nanti ada rincian. Tabungan itu simpedan berapa, ini berapa.
Di laporannya.
Iya.
That I will show you. I'll show you.
transaksi
There is one
yang
report.
pindah buku kayak gitu.
GL.
So, I mean,
I'll try to
the
show
report,
you.
right? So like if
And it's
saving,
possible to inject.
the share of
Huh?
saving,
It's possible to inject
they
journal.
can see the breakdown
Yes,
of
in-
savings,
yes.
yeah.
Because we are mapping into the
Can
individual product,
adjustment
right?
and
So
Yes.
the cyclus,
You can do, yeah.
upload. So
Upload
what are
also
the
is
entries
there.
go on to the
GL
individual
transaction
cyclus
upload is
account,
there.
right? So
GL
that details
update, GL adjustment entries. I'll show you.
because
how to
we
do
are
that.
Bisa nanti pakai yang grupnya tadi dia.
Adjustment between one GL to other GL, right?
Iya, pakai yang grup tadi.
Tapi nanti kalau hasilnya
Evaluasi.
dikeluarin
Cuman kalau yang model seperti ini takutnya kan data fixnya terpisah ya. Bisa kalau kita mau ngolah sendiri di
Yeah.
report
So
sendiri kan harus di luar kan.
There
Itu jadi
GL,
hasilnya
GL
proses dua
statement
banyak
report. I will
tabel
show
kan
you.
gitu.
So let me show you first the adjustment entries, then the upload functionality, how you
Because
can
we
do
have
it.
the-
And then third, I will show you the GL balance report.
because
If you have the template, then we follow your template.
yeah, because the data is available in the system. Providing a report is just extracting and then producing.
Wah, karena
See,
di yang
here,
core yang
as
sekarang
I've shown you that
cara
we have
jurnalnya itu
pay,
parent.
we have the product.
itu nggak
Under that
pernah
product
di
you have
jurnal,
Trial balance parent and
nggak pernah di jurnal yang parent.
that will
Yang
come in
jurnal
the
anak-anaknya.
system, not in the code.
Jadi kadang kan orang nabung simpedan atau siklus kan, nggak ada yang nabung tabungan itu nggak ada, saving nggak ada. Berarti jurnalnya mesti yang lawannya adalah simpedan atau siklus, itu aja yang diantar. Kalau anaknya di jurnal, otomatis induknya juga otomatis jurnal gitu. Di dalamnya sini sudah seperti itu.
What's that?
So I mean they expect also that if we can create a report and then have the breakdown of the child of the saving, because saving there is no like a saving in here. So there are two kind of saving, Simpeda and then Cyclus. So whether I say saving for Simpeda or Cyclus, yeah.
So that's where in the report that we will give, right? Let's say, so I'll tell you, this is a GL set code. You have GL set code, right? Now I have
Paketan gitu kan.
Cyclus, right?
Oke.
This has GL set code of 301. Let's say.
Yeah.
Oke.
Under this, you will have principal GL 1, 2, 3, right? Interest 4, 5, 6, so on and so forth. Then you have 302 product. This could be your this product 1.
Simpeda.
Yeah.
Mana?
Simpeda.
Saving.
SIMP.
Okay.
Saving.
Yeah. So yeah. You okay? Let's do this way then. Cyclus, right? Then what did you say?
Simpeda.
SIMPEDA. PEDA.
PEDA.
Simpeda.
So this could be 302.
Okay.
Right? Here you will have again principal GL
1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3 exactly.
Same.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
So when we send you the report, we will send you this principal GL like this. Print GL balance is 1 billion, right?
Yeah.
And 301. Then 20.
200.
Yeah. Okay. Let's say 20 million.
Hmm.
302.
Tuh.
And then we will have interest GL. So 200k 301. Then 300k 302. Sorry. So that's how we are going to
Okay.
send you the report. And then that's what I'm saying, you can build it in your system.
Okay.
So the good part is, if you want to change this GL here, instead of 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, if you want 7, 8, 9, that is also possible. It's up to you how you want to arrange those GL accounts together. And this we will send it in such a way: IDR, USD, CNY. So we will even give you the bifurcation currency wise.
Every day
Every day.
you save amount for 301 and 202.
Yes, 301 and
You save in
Yes,
record.
yes.
One record.
yes.
Okay.
We have the balances that we can send, and we can even
And cross it
generate-
in parent and
Yes.
share number and cross
Yes,
it.
like this. Principal GL, and this is for saving, right?
Yeah,
On
saving.
top it is saving,
Total itu
Saving.
and then you can do the total also.
300 gitu. 300 for parent of
one two.
I understand that. So that's why I'm saying this mapping of
Okay.
saving to 301, you can do it in your system. Right now we don't do it here, and we don't feel there is a need to do it.
Okay.
You can do it there. That mapping can already be there. So when we send the report, you would know saving needs to come here, right? So we have a grouping based on the product.
Okay.
The number, the unique number that you want to give for saving, you can keep it in your system.
Bagian kita bikin report ya by product ya.
So I'm telling you, many banks have done this. It's not a difficult task to do. Although I'm saying this is one of the way, but I still recommend that you take
Okay,
a vendor
clear.
solution to better this way.
RAK itu
That's okay, right?
Yeah,
Oh.
we provide as part of that.
kerja.
bukan
rekening antar
Rekening
kantor.
antar
Jadi
kantor.
di kita itu transaksi misalnya dari
Cabang.
cabang A ke cabang B itu kita pakai RAK.
Transaksi dari cabang A
Ke cabang B, misalnya pindah buku ya. Saya pindah buku ke mbaknya. Itu nanti ada RAK-nya.
RAK bahasa Inggrisnya wah kamu gak usah harus ngomong hari itu ngomong
Okay.
mungkin tak tahu loh RAK ya
So he wants to see some.
apa kamu tahu apa
Gambar gambar.
Gambar.
apa
Saldo akan menjelaskan cowok ini sampai seperti apa.
karena sub parent cafe
interbranch.
So we will
ya
post the
interbranch
interbranch
journal
transaction.
please view journal for interbranch transaction
I can show. So if I'm transferring money from one branch to another branch,
to
your account.
company
So then we will post the interbranch GL entry.
yes
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I will see if that is configured in my system or not. I'll try to show you.
mana ya halamannya ini
Jadi kayak misalnya
PNA untuk cabang kan ada di brand
friends.
Customers with two different branches.
Enggak.
Satu
Nanti bawahnya dikasih rekening gitu.
transaksi ke
Oh Jumatan nanti.
Oke Pak, Jumatan nanti.
Ini memang isi ceramah dia.
Ceramah. Login.
ini misalnya ada debit di 2100
Aja ngono kakek ana keterangan aja jadi 2001 sih kopo.
GL senilai 1 juta. Kreditnya ke
Aja ngono salah kan kan bingung-bingung. Salah kon ngene gambarno. Enggak. Jurnal ya. Oh sekulina aku sing gak ngerti jurnal SAK. Gambarnya kayak gini. Gambarnya nih. Ini.
Tetangga jadi apa?
Jadi ini. This kantor pusat,
Yeah,
center,
head office.
oh,
Head office.
head office.
You found an account, which is one and
Oh.
Office ya. This is a brand. Okay.
Branch.
Brand A,
Yeah.
brand B,
Yeah.
brand D ya. D ya.
Create an account for it.
Eh. Okay. This is account. This a brand good. Okay. This product two. This
Head office copy.
okay.
Branch A, branch B, branch D, branch E.
This journal is everyone customer in brand B withdraw in brand A.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
I understand.
Okay. Enggak dong. Kas satu apa? Kredit kan? Iya apa? Kasih apa?
Kasih. Kas ATM.
Dulu ada kayak ATM. Bahasa Inggrisnya kas apa? Itu.
Cash. Saving.
Kas. Ini ya. Di RAK enggak? Ah, ini RAK kan?
Oh, iya.
CL. RAK. Anda pusat ya kan?
Akan ngantar kantor ya.
Oke. This jurnal di sini. RAK ini kan ini ya. RAK B A ya. Kan ini cepat gini kredit kan. This
Depositing cash to
Yeah.
transfer to branch account.
C ini dapat di kredit ya. Harusnya punya account. Ini atas.
Yeah. Correct. So generally, what we do whenever this we support, whenever branch A customer
Yes.
withdraw of any transaction, right?
Yeah.
It can be withdraw, it can be transfer.
Branch B,
Branch B
withdraw
customer.
in branch A.
Yeah, so we will post an inter-branch transaction. Inter-branch GLMT. So debit branch A GL and credit branch B GL. So for every inter-branch transaction, we will
What
post
journal?
additional journal for inter-branch transaction.
The topic not
So this
is for consolidation ya kan?
Yeah. So we
this
will.
is for
Yes,
consolidation.
these deals are held with head office. So these deals, the inter-branch deal. Inter-branch deal is cost center or the branch is the branch is head office. So let's say head office, HO, GL, inter-branch, is 1, 2, 3, right? So this is credit, inter-branch credit, and inter-branch credit, 4, 5. So these two, whenever we do this inter-branch transaction, we will post this additional entry in your head office. So that for this region is specific
and
the
we
region.
use the BLM with Syariah. So that's couple is two, conventional and Syariah.
Correct. So so in our demo that we are going to do, the GL accounting, we manage two portfolios. One for convention, other for Islam. So for when we post this interbranch GL, we will clearly tell you is it a Islamic one or it is a convention. But this is standard for us. Whenever we do the transaction, interbranch GL's entries will automatically get posted.
Each brand have GL self.
Part of our sub GLs, and such interbranch GL entries, we will pass it to you. Wait a minute, we will further show them. Just give us we are trying to see.
Ya Pak. Terus jam 11.30 stop ya?
Iya.
Salamnya.
11.15 Mas.
Iya, I'm Islamic, you are convent.
Tuh, 11.15.
Oh,
Oleh onta.
iya. Berapa saja nanti soal.
Ibu tadi cari aku. Enggak, aku dari konten. Deposit ya. Di sisi deposit.
No, we will continue with GL. We'll finalize it.
Kita masih bahas tentang accounting dulu. Sampai tapi tergantung Bapak Ibu ya, kan misalnya beda.
I'm just trying to, I'll quickly show them how the interbranch, just give me 2 minutes, I'll show you the exact GL entries that get posted, so that we are on the same page, okay? Yeah, just give me 5 minutes, I'll quickly do it for you and show you how the interbranch entries will get posted. I'll quickly show you how it happens in profile then. So when you post the inter-branch transactions, right? So we will, let's say there is a cash transaction, right? So we are going to debit branch A cash for 1000 IDR, right? The scenario is branch A customer going to branch B. Okay? So branch A customer cash account will get debited by 1000 GL account. Credit branch B cash with 1000, and this is the inter-branch entry which will get posted for your HO. Yeah, head office. That's what. So whenever you do this transaction, profile will automatically post this transaction for head office. Yep. So that's how it happens. I will quickly. Yeah. So I will quickly also show you how the GL entries get posted in profile for loans. So this is the right audience, right, for this? Yeah. So GL entries that get posted in profile, when you run through this, when you do the disbursement, the principal GL get debited, right? When you do daily interest accrual, accrued interest receivable and interest income will get debited. The point I'm trying to make here is the entire GL transactions are going to get posted in profile, and we are going to transfer it to your GL system. Right? So I think this, your current core banking also does the same, right? But the consolidation of these accounting statement also happens in your current GL. We don't do the consolidation of the accounting statement. We just store the net of it, the final net of it, and then pass it on to your GL system, or in the GL that we will propose. Okay. And for your adjustment entry that you are talking about, right? I'll show you. The adjustment entries can be posted here. So when you have to post the adjustment entries into the GL, right? There is an option called advanced transaction. Here you can decide whether you want to debit or credit. If it's a credit, you will select MCR, credit, and the GL account number here. You have to enter the GL account number here. Okay? When you have to enter the GL account number, you can search for it. So let's say I will search for all the assets. It will show all the GL accounts which are there in the assets. Right? Everything that starts with a VAT on late charge, VAT on credit card, all these GLs are here. So you ask me, right, when you have to post the adjustment entry. So you select the let's say this account here, and then you can provide the amount, and then MDR, right? This is credit, we will do a debit also. And here you can select another account. Right? And then provide
What is currency, sir?
Here.
THB, CAD, IDR.
The same currency or?
You can select whatever currency you want, and we will default it to the base currency, which is IDR.
Idea.
Sense?
Upload transaction.
Upload transaction I'll show you, but you understand where you post the adjustment entry. So here you are going to post the adjustment entry, and the branch here is the branch of the user logged in. Okay, and you can add more data about which branch this GL needs to go to. You can add additional data using this. This button is disabled now, but you can select it to put additional data, comments, and other things. Is that you were looking at for adjustment? Now I'll show you the upload. Okay. So for upload functionality, let me quickly open another account.
Sir, trial balance.
Trial balance. Okay. See here. See, we are. Let me show you some reports on the GL. RE 310, right? Give me a minute. So actually somebody asked me about the GL summary report. Right, so this is the GL summary report where let's say include detail, and you can select details of detail. Let me show you the GL summary report. So see, here basically this is our GL summary report, where for this is for each account number for each branch. See, the cost center is nothing but the branch. So branch number is 0. For branch number 0, this is the GL account number, and this is the summary. And then of course we can change the format the way they want.
Yeah. What's the currency, sir?
Here is the currency.
Sort by account number GL. Sort GL and parent child.
Right. So that parent-child relationship for the account number and the sub-account number, we are going to manage it in your reporting system. So we will pass on that information, and that reporting will be done from your in-house system. Right? We have all this information. I think you're this amount of time. And then we will start sending it to them.
If you want to know the details, how to get this user?
How to?
If you wanted to show you how to know the detail of
Parent,
the
child, detail, nominal.
So what we have to tell them is the parent-child detail. We are going to map it and send it to their reporting system, and that report, right now they have a reporting system, so they are going to generate that report as a part of the solution from their new system.
What's the currency, sir? The currency.
Currency brands.
Yeah.
Could you show me the currency?
Here is the currency code.
Excel kan dulu Excel.
Yes, you can do Excel, but it's not there in the version. But we can provide you the Excel version also. We provide the PDF.
This is tracking.
We provide the PDF. See. The currency is here, THB, because this is only in the THB, but you will get for USD, INR, you will get this way, the total number of debits, total number of credits. What you need is the parent-child relationship that we will provide as a part of our implementation. We will work with the team, with your team, whether to develop that report inside the core or in their system.
It's customized.
Okay?
Jadi pengalaman tadi.
Mister, what do you believe if we send this the data for the data out of
Yes,
the base?
yes.
Could you show me all?
We will send you the extract.
No, database.
Texting.
Directly to database. This one. Could you send this report to our database?
Yes,
Directly.
we will use the extract.
Extract.
So we will provide a flat file. That flat file we will send you to your database system.
Could you show me a file?
Nagendra, can you quickly show them our DB visualizer, please?
Yeah. What do you want to see?
He will show how. Just show the GL extract. Just show DTJ, DMJ, anything. So see, okay, if it's possible, I think this detail, Nagendra, is coming from DTX. This is the GL summary report. So it may be in the TGL table. So can you show
GL
them?
summary is TGL.
Yeah, so just show them that. You may want to come here and so
You have DB visualizer open.
so while he's doing my DB doesn't work. While he's doing this, let me explain you how we are going to do it. Huh? So yes. So in profile, this report is stored in some tables. The name of those tables are DPJ, DMJ, TX, and I think TGLI. But now you can connect this using a tool, DB visualizer, right? DB and then you can extract and create your own report. So he is going to show you.
I'll send you the Excel file. Share.
Come here. They want to see the DB database.
What database? You use your surveying.
We have our own data.
Tes juga kan?
Yeah.
No,
What type of database?
Enggak kan?
GTM.
GTM.
He is going to cover GTM2 today in technical sessions.
Same like
Yes, it's a mix of both. So you will be able to write SQLs. Yes, and you can generate your own reports.
So no SQL database, but it has SQL layer.
SQL layer on top.
You can write SQL.
Then he will show you.
Yeah.
It's very easy. I mean, you can directly connect to it. You can generate your own reports also, like the reporting tool I was showing you. So I'll show you the reporting tool also.
Okay.
It's quite descriptive from us. See, this is the table that you are seeing, right? The currency, amount, date, balance, and you can easily use it. Here. The database is GTM. He is accessing it using a tool. The tool is like any database.
Any Java program.
Java program.
With JDBC. Java database.
So this is the table. So it will have the details also. Now you can generate your own report from it. Make sense?
You want to see the DTX, DTJ?
Yes, just show them some history table, something which they can connect, relate. So see, there is a table called history that will have all. Let's say shift to 21. Can you give me the customer number 2123? 2134. 2133. Yeah.
243.
2433. Yeah. So this is the customer number account number 2433. Oh sorry, customer number 2433, and it will show the all the transactions that has happened for this customer in the history table. Yeah. See.
PCN won't work, only the account number.
Account number?
Sif, can you?
I'll just open some table.
Just that's okay.
Kayak lognya deh ya.
See here. So it has all the audit also. I think there is a compliance team, right? So for this account, setup new account was done. Then there was some changes that has happened to this. So it contains both financial and non-financial data. So audit is very strong. It will also show you the time, date, IP address where it has happened. So here, there was a payment done.
Let me run it again. I'll show the new value.
Yeah, please. Yeah, good. Show the new value and old value.
Compliance team also here, right?
I will quickly go through the compliance part also. REP3. So see, here for this account, both financial and non-financial account was set up. Then there was again the customer receipt was added. Then you see this is non-financial. Financial is payment was done. Principal loan account and the amount you have not put. Oh yeah. So for this loan account a payment was done. Principal portion was this. Interest portion was this. And then there, I think this must be the GL transaction diagram. So we have all the details. And then you can generate your own reports from here. That's why I'm saying, the moment we give you this,
CRM, you can write your own SQL. It will make a PDF. It will make an Excel. It will make anything, any form.
So that's what I was trying to tell you. Even if you have your in-house developed system for reporting, that can directly connect to profile and generate it. If you there are two options. One, Sita works with you for a GL system. Second option is during the implementation you guys can integrate with profile directly. And I think both will work. I know it takes time to understand profile, but then once you start using it, you will really find it very easy. I can run these SQLs myself. So I'll show you the audit team. For the compliance team, I'll quickly show you some features.
So even here you can see the changes done to the CIF, right?
Yes.
Previous value and the new value. From compliance perspective now, it's very important to understand.
Yes, sir. So you use the customer number 2433, right? Okay. So for the compliance team, I'll quickly show you how you can do the audit.
Army.
So sir, this was the GL report I wanted to show you. So here you have the branch number, the currency is there.
Yeah, DHB.
See, the currency is there, effective date, and then this is the account number, and cost center is nothing but the branch number. So this is the back office cost center, right? And all the GL entries that you are posting. See, this is the teller suspense account, this is the interest income account, this is the interest paid for this account. So you are asking for the details about that. So we have all the details already into the system. We just needed to pass on to your system, or you connect to our system to generate those reports. Make sense? Good. Now I will quickly show the
Ini kan akhirnya aplikasi
No,
aplikasi nggak neraka. Thank you.
He shifted, huh?
Jumbo.
So for the audit perspective, whenever there is a transaction done in profile, you cannot delete it. There is no way you can delete it in profile. It's very secure. you can only reverse it or you can only modify it. Whenever there is a transaction done, financial or non-financial, we always kept the old value and the new value. And I am going to show you that.
Gimana caranya kalau kita untuk bisa mengecek transaksi one to many, many to one atau one to many to many?
Yang di ini belum ditunjukkan ya?
Iya, nggak, maksudnya kita tanyain.
Oh, mana tadi?
Kan tadi kita kan kita bisa mendengar proses transaksinya.
How do we see?
Maksudnya contohnya untuk bisa dari
Is the deposit team also here?
mendemokan
Not yet, right?
Deposit team also.
transaksi.
Okay. So for alright, so while I'm showing the functionality for audit team, you guys can also see because anyway. So what I have done is I have searched for a customer, right? And when you can when you search for a customer, you can go to the account list. So for the deposit team, we provide a complete 360-degree view of the customer. Right? Please feel free to ask me, huh? So, one minute. I opened the wrong customer. Right.
Mau nampilin transaksi tidak bisa dihapus sama sekali.
So I will load
Bisa
the
di reverse
customer
juga.
and I will show all the deposits.
Tapi ada historinya nggak itu? Kalau gitu. Ada. Enggak kan adanya
So you can
reverse
search for a
edit.
customer based on
Misal
tax
kayak
ID,
ada
account number, user ID, customer number,
diedit gitu.
and
Dan
other
ada
details. This screen we are going to modify based on your requirement during the implementation. You will tell us we want middle name, we want identification number, we want date of birth, so we are going to include it. So I'm going to search for 2423. Right, and then from here I will go to the customer 360 degree. Okay. So once you come here, this is the portfolio of the customer. Now for the each type grouping, right? Okay. Saving accounts will be shown all here. Right? If it's a multi-currency account, you will also see the base currency. I think we will have one. So all the see here, it's a multi-currency account. So it's in USD. We will also show you the balance in base
USD
currency.
juga.
Okay.
So you're offering both
Berarti dia
Rupiah
nabung
and
di
then
USD gitu.
What other currencies you're offering for the
Dia posisinya.
There are seven.
7 currencies?
Yes, 7
Yeah, so we can support all.
Malas gitu. Oh.
And then you will have installment and mortgage, all this. This is the customer view, 360-degree view for the internal relationship. Now, as you can see, these are nothing but a hyperlink, right? So it's a drill down menu. So the moment I click here, it takes me to the account detail. So here you will see all the details like account summary, account number, current balance, permanent hold, account average balance, this detail. I think yesterday we were talking about the ledger and the collected balance. So if you click here, it will actually show you if there is a funds in the, see here. So if there is a permanent hold, if there is a check hold, then aggregate available balance, what we are saying is ledger balance minus check hold. So this also you can configure. Please understand, this is very important. How you want to show the available balance can be configured. So right now we are showing ledger balance minus any check hold. the customer is given a check, right? But if you don't want to include this, it's a configuration. You can just remove it. Make sense? I mean, I'll show you that area also. And then all the other details. You asked me about the lien accounting yesterday, right? If I open a deposit account and there is a loan account linked to it, I'll show you. I have already configured it. So once you do this, the available balance in your term deposit will be 0 because it is lien. You asked me yesterday about that, right?
You, excuse me.
Yep.
For hold balance, you
Hold. If you have put a hold, the balance minus. Then you cannot do it. I'll show you. Right now it is not there, but then once you do it, minus hold. So you cannot withdraw it. Ledger balance minus hold is your available balance.
for action for hold balance, you have a historical.
Yes. Yes. Every history. When the hold was done, when the hold was removed.
Open hold.
Yes. I'll show you in the account.
Hold start.
Yep.
And
who did, what time it was done.
periodic.
Yes, periodic. I'll show you also.
Okay.
But see, this is account history. Then I will go to the account history, right? If I in the account history, I can see both financial and non-financial. So let me show you. See, once I clicked it, it went to this thing. And here, advanced search, I'm going to do all transactions. Not monetary means financial. And if I click here and search, then it will show me the all account history. This for audit. So you will see everything on this account now.
Sorry, just 5 seconds. Just now he searched from the customer. Now he is looking at the transaction history. Only one time he searched for the customer. All other hyperlinks. You didn't go and check menu again because it's improve your time, right? You don't need to go through the navigation, press 2 times, 3 times. Just go there, whatever you want to see, just click. Like iPhone or something, you just click, right? Then it will come. So it's very.
How long you save history?
This is the safe history.
How long?
Up to you. Up to you. We had. You know what? We had a bank in India. ING was in India.
Yes.
They moved to another bank now, but they had a history for 10 years.
10 years?
10 years history they managed. And it was, they also had 10 million customers.
10 million customers.
But
that's
also archive data move on to like different disk, which is cheaper to access, less cost, and active data here.
The primary data.
Active data. Yep. I'm not saying that's the right way to do the things, but profile is good enough to hold that kind of data because it's very performant. That's what me and Stuart were also discussing, that profile is very performant compared to our other. I mean, I myself is on profile for almost 15
Web
years.
admin, you can show that setting, right? How many days you want to retain history for?
We can. In fact, he is good. You ask all such performance questions in next session, and he will be able to answer it. But while we can store it for 10 years, it may not be the right way to do the things, but profile will still work. And then there is a automatic movement of the old data into the other areas, which will not impact your performance. One way. Second way is going to talk about is a read-only instance. Stuart was talking to you yesterday about automatic replication.
Horizontal scaling.
So yes, so basically all your history can be moved from the main production instance to your read-only instance. You don't have to do anything; it automatically happens. So there are many such advantages, you will get by using profile. So now, for the people in the room for audit, you see, from the moment the customer gets created, everything is logged. So on 4th of July, a new account was set up, right? And when I click here, it will show you the details about that action. What was the account number, reference number, what was the activity, what is the data item, old value was 0. That's why there is no value, right? Posting date, posting time, user ID, branch, location. This is going to be your IP address, and then this is the description. So all these details are captured. We capture old value as well as the new value. So this account was created, and then somebody or during the account creation, this data field CBS table name is CBS MTM dot statement group. The field data table name data field was modified. Right? Account maintenance, somebody changed the role has modified.
How to modify username?
Yeah, sure. So you see here, this must be it will show the user ID also.
Okay.
See, user ID.
Oh, user ID 1. Okay.
Can I update the trend?
No.
Ini ya. Ya sudah hampir ya sama ya sebenarnya.
Kalau bisa diedit yo.
Currently, how long you are keeping your data?
Penipuan
3
nih.
years or
In
Tadi nggak bisa
in
tadi.
production,
Nggak bisa diedit.
Simon,
3 years?
si 5 months in months, yeah. In only other is database, dataware.
Dataware. 3 months and 5 months.
Yeah. 3 bulan sampai 6 bulan lah, paling lama kan 6 bulan gitu. 6 months. Simon lebih
Move to data warehouse.
6 months. Other in data warehouse.
Right? So I'll again go back to the same account.
Okay.
Maybe I'll choose the another account. So
For setting saving account, I have a zero rate, okay?
yeah, absolutely okay. Interest rate could be 0. Yeah.
Bisa bunga 0, ya. Bisa.
See?
You said you can keep 10 years, 10 years data. Okay, how long do you need that you EOD?
EOD?
How long?
For a 30 million database, 30 million accounts, one of our client is finishing it in 3.5 hours. 3 hours. Entire, end to end.
30 million.
30 million
Everything.
end of day 30
From
month.
starting to end, 3 hours.
But 3 hours, but you still can send transaction.
Yes.
No
24/7, no time down.
Berarti
0 time
nggak
down.
ganggu.
You can create account, you can post transaction, all channels are up, you can withdraw amount all the time.
Mobile banking user can do this transaction.
Setting product, nggak usah nunggu Innovator. Kita kan harus
If you want, we
besoknya
can
kan.
show you the date also.
Sekarang enggak. Every day you open new product, every day you play.
Yeah. Every day, same day.
You press
During-
save, submit, and then open.
Yeah, while let's say you are doing a day end and the product manager wants to launch a product, you can do it.
By self, by self.
Boleh nanya.
Can I get ask a question about saving and current account management? Yeah. Is it have some dormant account handling?
Yes, absolutely.
Yeah,
So
because
we
there is-
define the number of days, no
Yeah.
activity, account will become dormant.
Okay.
And once the account becomes dormant, you cannot do any transaction.
Where you setting?
The dormant account setting I can show that.
Tunjukkan setting
Herman tuh.
See here,
Bayangkan kita
Oh iya.
berapa hari berapa kali.
dormant account is another institution where you
Makanya
have
kan
the
kita lihat
product
settingnya.
check. I think it's set up. But anyway, account.
No, what is the setting you're looking for?
Dormant account. But I will answer that question during my flow for dormant, because I want to continue with the deposit team also. So this is so let me recap. I selected a deposit account, and this is the snapshot, the information which the user will need, frequent information. So we are giving account number, customer balance, hold, if there are any hold, account balance, all these are given here. now the user wants more information, right? So this you can see it's a hyperlink. So the moment I click here, it takes me to the detailed view. So to Darshana's point, you don't have to again search, click here. It's very intuitive in nature, right? So see here, now you get the complete information about the customer, right? So general tab. So here is the general tab. What is the account number, right? We have master balance account relationship, account balances. See the types of balances we store. Ledger balance, available balance, cash available balance, check hold amount. All this information is shown here. And then there is something called status, right? So I'll search. So account status. No, account status is in the general. 1 minute. I'll find. General only, right? Okay, that's okay. Okay, so please find the account status. I'll continue. So here you can see the cost center. We were talking about the type of account, preferred customer or not. You can set whether it's a regular customer, VIP customer, preferred customer. All this.
Red zero.
Yeah. Yeah, and you can add more also. Diamond customer, the other customer, and you don't have to go to technical team. You can only add one more value.
Okay.
Okay. Then I will. So the point I was trying to tell you is all the information about customer is available in the tab. This is tab and the sub tab. So if I go to, let's say if I go to account activity,
Status is there.
account activity, right? Yeah.
Under account activity.
See, you see here, account, right? So this account will become dormant. You were asking about that. So after, let's say you define 20 days here dormant.
20 days.
So 20, 30, 40, based on what you define, and customer do not do that activity, account status will change to dormant automatically. Right? And
where you setting
number of days, we will
number
tell
of
you.
days.
We will show you.
And
It
get
is at the
close to
product
them.
level.
Okay.
I think at the product level.
Product level,
Yeah. Is there, no? Let's show that. Right? While he does this,
Okay.
I also want to tell you that, then the good part is all this is clubbed in such a way that it is easy for the user. So all the accrual in the interest, all the accrual details are available here. You see number of parameters it has, right? Accrued interest, what was the accrued interest for the last day? So I think we were talking about the accrual balance. How do you want to do it? No accrual, ledger balance, collected balance, all those can be set here. Maximum balance to accrue, all this information is available in the accrual. When you go to the rate determination, that is a place where you can define the interest rate. So here if you go here.
You support tiering.
Yes, I will show you the tier.
Okay.
Tier interest rate also. I'll show you. I have done that. So see here, this is the fixed interest rate.
Okay.
Then you can have promotional interest rate. Then you can have variable interest rate, index that you are talking about, right? Index, you can define the index, right? And I will show the index also. And then you can define what is the maximum interest rate, what is the minimum interest rate here.
Minimum and maximum. That
You
means
cannot define more than that.
Ceiling and floor.
Tiering for
Account level.
account balance.
Account
Interest
rate.
Interest rate.
Because if we are linking to a floating rate,
Floating. Yeah.
floating rate, there's a chance that the rate can go beyond what you want, then you are making losses, right? So you put a ceiling and floor. If the rate falls below also, it will hit the last one.
Yeah.
So you are protecting.
Yeah. Understood. Let me explain that. So what we are saying is, let's say interest rate is 8%, right?
Okay.
Then I am defining the max rate, max and min rate. Min is 2, max is 10. Okay? Minimum is 2, maximum is 10.
Okay.
The user goes, somebody logs in and try to change it to 30%. System will come and check.
Reject. No. I want if my account if balance 1 million, this
is the interest rate
8%.
Tier.
Tiering.
Yeah. I'm going to show you. I have created an account for it. As I said initially, I have created a tiered interest rate.
Okay.
For amount 0 to 10,000, this is the interest rate. 10 to 20,000, this is.
Okay.
I will show you actually.
20,000 interest.
Kayak kemarin itu ada transfer on us kayak gitu, itu apakah bisa terdeteksi di sini apa enggak?
Yang dari gede gitu.
Enggak ya, waktu kita ambil datanya yang dari kemarin sistemnya itu kan dia ada transfer on us, jadi kita nggak tahu ini itu yang berapa tujuan apa, karena itu datanya dari switch dan maksudnya kita harus data database lain yang bisa melihat transfernya dari siapa, terus nggak tahu kita mau kemana transfer.
Coba dilihat sini.
I always carry a binocular.
Tadi nggak ada nampilin tentang
tuh.
I'm changing.
First they looked at him and looking at him, then I realized he's having a binocular.
So interest, term deposit. I'm not going to the details.
You just go to the government one.
Yeah, this one.
Yeah.
Dates of inactivity.
90 days.
90 days.
Oh, days.
Typically
Oh,
3
iya.
months. Pak.
Mau ngecek kalau mau untuk setting hari
At the product level, each and every account can have different, because
Okay.
maybe for priority you need to have lower days, maybe 80 days or 70 days, because there's a high risk, right? So you can change based on the product, and the date of dormancy usually it's 6 months, right? Typically you set change.
Ya benar kan 180 kayaknya.
How about ini activity limitation, but for example ya, inactive account we will only allow for incoming transaction, not outgoing.
Correct.
Can we
Credit is allowed, debit is not allowed.
Oh, okay.
That's the standard. In fact, let me go.
Yeah.
Actually, you can. This is the standard activity.
Okay.
The other thing I wanted to show you is.
Kan bukan presentasinya sekarang, kalau presentasinya dulu waktu kita dulu ya belum tentu. Makanya waktu kan berapa puluh tahun kita. Kalau waktu dulu dia presentasi ya nggak segini.
So in the to your point, apart from that, in the account level, you can also put user-defined restrictions.
Oh, okay.
So I'm putting there, right? So if I select an account, let's say Cyclus saving account, and I want to put a restriction.
Yes.
In the restriction, I can clearly mention it's on top of the dormant. Dormancy is already available, but if you want to put some restriction, right?
Okay.
You can put a restriction by stating this: disease, 2 signature required, customer owned, no signature, allowed no activity, bad address, no indication, inactivity. You can do the manual dormancy also if you want to put manually. Allow no debits, you were asking about, right? Allow no credits.
Okay.
Right? And once you do this, you can start date, if you don't give any expiry date, always. If you give expiry date,
And one point here, you can give it future date also.
Yeah.
Hold can be not today, maybe you want to do it for the future. So you don't need to again reminder, do this. System will automatically from that date onwards, it will take the hold.
now if there is a VIP customer, right? For that VIP customer, see and sir. So in the reminder, I can say that I can select the account, and then I can put a reminder. I'll show you one example. I can add, and then remember the number 445. So here in the reminder, I can put a
sama iPhone credit card.
So what you can do is, if the customer comes, and he's a VIP customer, right? And customer asks for a credit card. So you can put a note, customer asks for credit card product, and you can put a reminder for yourself. So once I submit this, the user will have the reminder that I have to call the customer for selling credit card. So this is going to happen at the account level. So see, I have put the reminder here. Now if I go to the same account, 4445, I will see that reminder as well. So that's how it works. So I think as a next step, what I will quickly do is, I will create a product for deposit.
Wait, I want to see for you setting for special account, no view for Taylor or special account.
Oh, masking.
Yeah, masking.
Yeah.
Okay.
So can you quickly do that setup? You have to go to web admin and
Not there. Where web admin is.
yeah. So
Table configuration.
yeah. Let me
Masking.
I will show that again. I would need the I'm doing it.
ETL mask.
Yeah. So I'm without any technical support.
Okay.
I'm going to show you how you can do it. So there is a table here, or I just say mask. So we call it as masking.
Okay.
So this table will come. I think these are 4-step process. So first is mask attribute. So let's define a mask. I'll see if it's already there. So how do you mask it? You want to use a star, question mark, it will come here.
So it's there already.
See, so so we are going to mask it for the account number, right? And it's already defined, right? Then we will go to the second.
Actually, go inside. There's more features.
Okay. For user class, we might not have done it, so we will add them.
That's what the users is what we don't have.
Okay, while we are doing this, what time we need to go for lunch break today?
11:15.
11, 15 or 30?
15.
Because the Islamic part
Yes.
also is available now. Sharia.
20 ya?
11,
12 ya?
I thought 11, 30.
You're
right.
So 15.
11:15. So we have to cover the Sharia part. At least 10 minutes we need to cover that.
Do it after. Do it after lunch.
Gak apa-apa nanti setelah syariah terlalu nih gak apa-apa ya.
See here. Sir, so what I'm saying is, for the account number, you should mask 8 character right? And a digit to display is 4. Although the 8, it will just show 4. Right? It's already there. And mask is there, right? Now, we'll go to the second table now.
Istilahnya tinggi bu, kadang-kadang terlalu lengkap kan. Nggak hanya 5, tapi yang tinggi di sini ya.
So everything is like user defined, right? I'll go to the next table now. Now mask authorization. Who is allowed to do the mask authorization? And then the last one is the user table. That's it. So here it is already authorized. Alright. Since this is already authorized, that's why he is able to see. I need a user with this user class. So what I will do is, for time being, if I remove it,
No, don't remove it. I'll tell you a user.
give me a user. So sir, what it means is the user class, which is the role. Manager. Like SCA is a super user. He can see. This can see. So 1, 2, 3, 3 people, 3 user groups can see. Other people cannot see. Right? So what he is doing is, he is trying to find a user who is not part of this. Then we will show you the masking. If you are able to find that user.
Yeah, but I'll have to reset the password. So you carry on. I'll tell you the user.
Okay.
Give me 2 minutes.
So what he is doing is, I do not have a user which is not part of this user class. So that's why you are able to see. He's going to give me a user. I'll log in and I'll show you the mask.
Reset the password.
Okay. So what I was thinking is, I wanted to show you some very good features now. So let me quickly go to the PPT here. So you were talking about the customer pricing yesterday,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
I want to show you that. This is very cool feature in my sense, right? What I am saying is, there is a rule. If the currency type is USD, change the fee plan to this. If currency type is Euro, change it to another fee. If the customer type is personal customer, then change the interest to 5%. Change the minimum balance to 10,000. If the customer is senior citizen, customer age, this one. If the customer age is greater than 60, then change the interest rate to 4 and 0. Now I'll open an account for this customer and show you that this is changing. Okay? So here is, see, this is the screenshot just in case. So this is, once you do this, the currency automatically, the minimum balance and this thing changes. So I'll show you now. 2433. Okay. So what I will do is, in one shot, I am going to create 3 accounts: USD, Euro, and Thai or IDR. Okay. So I am searching for the customer. Point. I'll search for the customer. I'll select the recorded relationship. Yeah, you can before
referral.
Yeah, correct, and then you can get it. This is the relationship like single, joint, corporate. All these relationships are there, and this is all configurable. You can decide which relationship you want to use, right? And then let's say I'm doing this deposit single. So loan relationship is different and deposit relationship is different. Here you can verify the information that the customer name is this, address is this, user ID is this, tax ID and all those information. If the user is okay, this is the right customer, he can proceed. It's a verification before he does that. So here you are going to select the account. We also have an option of package. Package is this. See this package. In this, what happens? You are giving a wallet account. Along with wallet account, you are giving the certificate of deposit, and then it's recommended from bank side. Right. So and then you can add features also. I will cover it as a next step. But for now, we will open a saving account. And we will open 3 savings account together, Euro, USD and IDR. So 3001, 3001. I think so this is the one. 310. No. So you don't have to, if the same customer wants to open saving account and Euro account and IDR account, you don't have to do twice. You can do it one go. So see, so I will have USD account, right? And then I can have Euro account here. Okay, and I can say Euro account. And then last I can have IDR account.
This three account this connect to debit card.
You can connect to debit card. We will integrate it with debit card.
If I go to France, this I top up to Euro.
Oh, yes, you can do that. In fact, we have an even better feature. Single account, multiple currencies.
Okay.
We call it as IBAN. So when I travel, I carry only single debit card.
No convert.
One debit card, one account, and automatically profile will create, say USD, Euro, IDR, JPY. As a customer, I will remember only one account.
Only one account.
And
Three wallet.
Three wallet.
Three wallet.
Master child.
Master child, kan?
Master child kind.
What? Is at balance is a top up this.
Yes.
Top
So,
up.
so if you send Euro, it will top up Euro.
Euro.
If you send USD, it will top up USD.
Okay. I service langsung tap or Euro currency.
Yes.
No convert again.
No.
Yeah, no conversion.
No.
No conversion.
No, because there will be a GL level conversion that will happen, but for customers.
One covered when
Yes.
I top up.
Yes.
What
When you withdraw.
when withdraw no cover.
Pocket.
Pocket. Jadi kalau kita mau pergi luar negeri mau kemana ya, nanti kita sudah euro, ya kita tinggal top up ke yang wallet euro. Dari rupiah hari ini aja kita di convert. Mau kita beli berapa euro kan gitu, kayak beli.
So
Gitu.
see now, since I am opening 3 accounts together, right?
Okay.
Account 1, account 2, account 3. First account is USD, second account is Euro,
Oh ya.
and then the third account is your idea. You remember I put the pricing rules. So since it was a USD account, I am changing the fee plan.
Oke.
Say, and then this was the Euro account, I am changing it to this. But IDR account, no change. So single account. That's the
Plain. Tadi kan ini my PCI loh kan. Udah my PCI. Jadi kita kalau ngisi USD waktu kita ke Inggris kadang pakai ke Amerika pakai USD ya, nanti debitnya kita kan udah punya saldo USD. Kita tap debit kita itu yang diambil bukan yang rupiah, tapi yang pocket euro, pocket USD-nya. Kapan kemarin aku ke Prancis gitu yang euronya yang gitu. Tapi kalau sampai saldo euronya habis baru ngerus yang rupiah.
Main account-nya.
Now I will show you senior citizen account.
Okay.
The customer who is more than 60 years of age. This piece. The customer is okay. Let me go here. This one. Okay. Yeah, here. Now I'm going to use the pricing for this customer age greater than 60.
Okay.
Then change the interest rate to 4.
4.
Actual is 5. Sorry, actual is 3. Since it is senior citizen, we are going to give you 4 more. And then minimum balance 0. Because it's senior citizen. Same product. I'll open it now and show you. So I have a senior citizen account already. 2434. Okay. I will search for it. I will show the age of this customer now first. I'll go to account and customer information. Like account information, we have customer information. If you go to customer information, see all the information about the customer is here. This is the 360. And if you, I will add another tab here for trade finance. One more tab for treasury. One more tab for debit card. One more tab for credit card as a part of our implementation. So exact 360.
Custom session.
Right? And here,
custom tinggal di on aja. Iya.
see, the customer age is more than 60, 1950. Right? So it's more than 60 years. Now, the customer age is coming as 76, right?
Yes.
And then, of course, there are so many other fields. Another thing that I wanted to show you is, if suppose you want to add more fields to the database, right? You don't have to come here. You don't have to ask any technical team. You can use this tab and you can start adding, like trade finance customer number.
Oh, okay.
And then its value, debit card number. So you can use this tab and add yourself.
User defined as well.
User defined. Okay. Now I will open an account for this customer. So here you go and click on create account. Okay.
Single.
We select single, and then since the customer is so I will select the same account here and then continue. And okay. So see here, before opening the account, minimum balance is going to change 0 for this customer, and deposit interest rate will be 4 automatically. So this is a very strong feature. And just imagine in this screen here,
Bottom.
right? All this like currency code or SIF type, there are more than 500 parameters at the account level. So you can use those 500 parameters to do so much. You don't have to go to technical team to make changes.
Flexible.
So flexible.
Yeah.
Pricing.
Yeah.
Don't need to ask the FIs.
No need to ask for FI. No, I'm on bank side.
Yeah.
Unless you want Nagendra to come.
For your interest, for other account, this one.
This for other account, you have to select
pay,
the account
pay,
type.
for interest. My
You can.
Account,
Other account.
have interest, but every month
Send it to other account.
selling to
Yeah, so it's like
yeah.
I am father
Okay.
and I have a son.
Okay.
So all the interest should go to my son's account,
Okay.
right? I will show you. So here, there are two ways to do this, huh? So let me show you the standing instruction. Funding services, transfer funds. Yeah, extend only. So here, you can put the standing instructions also, right? So from account and to account, right? And then you can schedule it. Okay. So from starting today, every month once, weekly, every 2 weeks, monthly, every 2 months, quarterly, twice a year, you can do the funds transfer. A. And then another place, let me also show you deposit account services, account information. To just transfer the interest, I will show you.
Okay. Clear.
Clear?
Clear.
Okay. So what last one I want to show you is the package.
Okay.
That's also a very good feature. Here in the product factory, you can see package.
Bundling.
Bundle.
Bundling. Okay.
So under a package, you can bundle saving account, term deposit account, saving account, loan account. When you bundle saving and loan, automatic payment, automatic disbursement. Right? And once you have bundled it together, you can provide more services. So if I take a bundle, I get credit card, I get debit card, I get more interest rate. Standalone, no. So you can like combo, food combo. Right? So you can create a combo, give discount. You get more people. So basically, if I open saving account, I get 1% interest. But if I open a deposit and saving account, I get 2% interest. So you will have more saving accounts getting open. So you will get more deposit. Your asset size will increase for the bank side, right? And so here in the package, I can show you package services, right? Oops. Package services. So in a package, you can offer services like debit card, ATM card. I'll show you now. Let's say this is the package.
Mobile banking.
Yeah, mobile banking. Exactly. Deposit package. See, here you can add services with it like debit card, investment sweep, right? You can add more as well, insurance, and then we can integrate. See. See all the services. See.
Saving account,
ATM, auto investment, bill payment, check card, check issues, combined statement, debit card, investment sweep, positive pay, saving incentive, standard checks. All these are services as a part of package. So I think that was on this side, deposit side. Now we
ikut lagi apa ini dong kita ikut rapat lagi
If you have any more questions on deposit side, I'm here till 4 p.m. So I can answer anything. I have to show you for him. I have to show the while he's doing, I'll quickly show you the lien market. Okay.
Posisi satu. Saya boleh saldo.
Can you show me about interest method?
Interest accrual method, right?
Yes.
Saving account. Saving account. Yeah, I'll do it. Just a minute. Also all loan accounts. Let me do a quick search for a customer with saving account 2433. 243. You can set it at product level and you can also set it at account level as well. So I'm searching for a customer, then we'll go to the interest tab. And let's go to the account information. Okay. This and then the account information. So here's the saving account. interest. Here, accrual method. Actual by standard, actual by actual, leap year. This standard by standard, that is 1 by 12. This one is 1 by 12.
Progressive tiering.
Tiering I can show you here.
Progressive.
Yep.
Progressive, Mr.
Okay, let me go to the document.
Only steering. Progressive steering.
So here, table configuration, rate schedule. While it is happening, I can show you here as well.
Itu Pak Mulinya kita ya. Gerak plus
Here, see. So, if the balance is between 0 to 100,000, for a year 1 charge 2%, year 2 charge 2.5, year 3 charge 2.5. I'll show you in the system also.
Progressive tiering or saldo tiering bisa ya. Jadi posisi per saldo bisa progresif bisa ya.
Balance tiering.
This is the balance. Okay, I'll say it once again. You see the balances here? 0 to 100,000, 100,000 to 200,000, 200,000 to 500,000. Between 0 to 100,000, for 1 year, charge this. For 1 year, between 1 year to 2 years, charge this. Between 2 years to 3 years, charge this. This is for 0 to 10,000. Right? And then I will show you another scheme. So, Sita, you have to explain that.
Oh,
See, I'll show you
yang
here.
dimaksud misalkan 5 juta ya, atau
Ya Pak.
atau misalkan 500 juta, settingan misalkan sampai 50 juta dengan nol.
Itu tadi yang di sebelah kanannya Pak, tinggal ditambahin lagi aja Pak.
Enggak, maksudnya dengan nol ya. Terus kalau misalkan sampai 250 1%, sampai 1M 2%. Jadi dikurangi 500 juta, kurangi 50 tadi nggak dapat bunga. Terus dikurangi 100 tadi, itu berarti 1%. Jadi kalau di total itu yang sampai 50 juta dia 0%. Dari 500 juta tadi loh.
Yang dari 500 juta.
Iya, 100 juta dia dapat 1%, sisanya 350.
Bukan ngitung
dapat
potongannya.
So they don't calculate in total. So for example, like from 1 to 1 million, 0%. So my balance is 5 million. So from 0 1 to 1 million, 0%, right? And then 1 to 2 million is 1%. So I get 1%, and then
It's like income tax calculation.
Yeah, like pajak
income tax.
Income tax calculation.
So what I'm saying, we have that. I'll show you, but before, how you define the interest rate is here. So the balance between 0 to 10,000.
Oh, ini progresif juga.
See, progressive.
Progresif ya.
Yeah. So first I'll show you
Like tax, yeah.
how you define, like income tax.
Okay.
Right? So but before that you have to define the interest rates also, right?
Okay.
So I'm showing you here between 0 to 10,000. What is the interest rate? You have to select this and then add it. Here you will see the interest rate.
Oh, setup pertamanya yang tadi itu Pak dulu.
Yeah. So between 0 to 10,000, the interest rate will be this. It will come down. So I will just even I have defined the year. So let's say there is no year. I will just keep one row. I'm saying even for if it's a saving account, I'm even defining the time also. So don't worry about that time. It will be only 2%. So 0 to 10,000, 2%. Okay, makes sense?
Yeah.
See, right now we are doing one step further. We are also defining that tenure. So if I don't define any tenure, it's like this. Okay, let me do like that.
buku ciptaan tim
Yes.
and we break.
Yeah, we need to break.
Oh.
Quickly prayer.
Okay. Okay, prayer. Yeah, important.
prayer.
Okay, we break.
Setengah 2 guys. Mas Lupi, jam setengah 2 ya? As usual.
So, jadi lalu, awakmu biasa